Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to live in a place where it never rains? I mean, never. Not in months, not even in years. Welcome to a place so dry and strange that scientists compare it to Mars. Today, we're diving into the heart of Atacama Desert, the driest place on Earth. But this desert isn't just dry. It holds secrets buried for thousands of years, flowers that bloom in a miracle, and even mummies older than the pharaohs. Ready to explore Earth's most extreme mystery? The Atacama Desert stretches across northern Chile in South America. It's a thin ribbon of land between the Pacific Ocean and the Andes Mountains, covering over 100,000 square kilometers. But why is it the driest? Because of a strange combination. The Andes block clouds from the east, the Humboldt Current keeps moisture away from the west, and global air circulation patterns push rain clouds away from the region altogether. Some weather stations in Atacama have never recorded rain. You'd expect nothing to survive in such a place, right? But life always finds a way. There are tiny creatures, like insects and lizards, that have adapted to survive in the extreme dryness, and surprisingly, humans have lived in the Atacama for thousands of years. They collected fog water, hunted small animals, and built cultures that lasted generations. This brings us to one of the desert's creepiest surprises. In the heart of Atacama, archaeologists discovered the Chinchorro mummies, dating back over 7,000 years, making them older than the Egyptian mummies. Because the air is so dry, even nature preserves bodies. These ancient people mummified their dead intentionally, with care and rituals. The dry climate kept them perfectly preserved: skin, hair, clothes, even expressions. Imagine walking through the desert and stumbling upon a 7,000-year-old face staring back at you. Now here's the twist you wouldn't expect: flowers. Once in several years, when a rare rainstorm hits the Atacama, something magical happens. Seeds hidden beneath the surface suddenly bloom, and the desert turns into a carpet of purple, pink, and yellow. This event is called Desierto Florido, the flowering desert, and it's so rare and beautiful, people travel from all over the world just to see it, from lifeless to full of life, like Earth is showing off. The Atacama is so dry, red, and dusty that it looks like another planet. That's why NASA uses it as a testing ground for Mars rovers. Before sending robots to Mars, they make sure they can survive Atacama. In fact, it's the only place on Earth where some Mars-like bacteria were discovered, living deep in salt rocks. Some scientists even believe Atacama could help us understand how life may exist beyond Earth. Despite the harsh conditions, people still live here, farming, mining, and even doing astronomy. Thanks to the clearest skies in the world, Atacama is home to giant telescopes that search for alien planets. People here have adapted. They build fog catchers, giant nets that trap moisture from the air, turning fog into water. Smart, simple, and life-saving. So, what does the driest place on Earth teach us? That life is stubborn, that even the harshest lands have stories to tell, and that sometimes, the most lifeless-looking places are full of wonder. From mummies older than time to flowers blooming in the impossible, the Atacama Desert isn't just dry, it's alive, mysterious, and magical. If you enjoyed this journey through Earth's driest desert, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. There's more science, more wonder, and more Earth secrets waiting for you here on Science Vision.